guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Ipsy time again. So I got my Ipsy bag today, so I wanted to go over it with you guys. And my face is very bare because there is a mask in my bag and I definitely want to try it out for you guys. So I figured let's just do all of it right now. So this is what the bag looks like for this month. It is very, very pretty. Ipsy always has these really pretty bags. So as you can see, this is very shimmery. I was just trying to see if I have any glitter on my hands from the bag, but you don't. And the zipper has like this black tassel kind of a thing. It's really, really cute. So yeah, the bag is just a very shimmery, shiny, glittery type of a bag, and it has Ipsy written down here. And it kind of actually goes with what I'm wearing right now, and even my little headband. So that's cute. It was not planned, but it worked out. And so yeah, so that's what the bag looks like. Here is a closer look at this beautiful, gorgeous bag. So this is the card for this month. It looks very pretty and almost like a whimsical kind of a feel to it. And on the inside it says, "Don't give up on your daydreams." So I guess the theme is kind of like carefree, throw caution to the wind type of a feel. So the mask that I got is this Innisfree pore clearing clay mask with super volcanic clusters. So one of my 5 I was able to pick, and this is what I picked out of a group of different other products. So that's the bottle, and it's a cute little bottle, and then the inside looks like that. So it has like this grayish clay. Basically with this, you just cleanse your face, apply this onto dry skin, and you can leave it for 10 minutes, and you can use this 1 to 2 times a week. Just avoid your eye and lip area. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try and see how it goes. So my face is already cleansed and it's already dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this onto my face. I think that was a big chunk. I always say do a patch test before you try any kind of mask, which I should listen to because I do have events coming up that I can't mess my face up for. So fingers crossed, you guys. Okay, so I will say with this, it seems like a little goes a long way because I did put like a whole chunk of it right here, and I kind of used that for majority of my face. So this is how much I ended up using. It's really not much. There's some work going on outside. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I hope you can't, but if you can, please ignore it. So yeah, so I didn't use much of this, which was great. So I will be able to use this for at least like, I want to say maybe like 2 or 3 more times. I will say that it is a bit cooling, not like intense cooling, but it is a little cooling, and it does feel nice. So I did put 10 minutes on the clock, even though I was talking for a little bit, so I don't need a full 10 minutes, but we're gonna leave it on. And they say when you wash it off, just kind of do it in circular motion, so you're almost like exfoliating your skin. But since we do have to wait, let's go on to the next items. What I have is this brush. So it is the SLMISSGLAM SS57, is that right? Yes, SS57 blending brush. So that's what it looks like. It is so pretty, you guys. Look at that handle. But yeah, that's what the blending part looks like, the brush part looks like. It's very soft. It's really, really pretty. I do love blending brushes. They are great for your crease. They're also great to just apply eyeshadow all over the lid. So they do cover a good area. I do like their packaging. It is so adorable. And as always, as you guys know, I love getting brushes in my bag, so I love growing my brush collection, so I'm happy to have this. Next thing I have is this hand cream by Chantelaine. I don't know how to say that, but it is their Gardenia hand cream. Oh, it smells amazing. It is a thick cream like that. And oh my goodness. It seems very hydrating. As soon as you start rubbing it into your hand, it just smells amazing. Gardenia smell really, really nice, so I do like that, and it is a very thick and moisturizing cream, so I'm happy with that. Next, I have this eye pencil by PIXI by Petra, and it is their Endless Silky Eye Pen. So it is in the color Rose Glow. I will show you what that looks like. Oh, it is very creamy that the tip already kind of came off, but I do like that it is creamy. That is what that looks like. It's like this beautiful metallic-y gold. Oh, that's so pretty. So it is very creamy, like I said, and you can put all over your lid, or you can use it in your waterline, or like an eyeshadow, or like an eyeliner. So this is really, really nice. I love this color. I love the glow. Like, the metallic is real. So the next item I have is this KALEIDO, I think that's how you say it, KALEIDO Cosmetics, and this is a skin blush. So this is a plant-based ingredient blush, and okay, so that's the packaging of it, and this is in the color Primadonna. Oh, and it has a mirror. Cute. This is such cute packaging, and that is the color. It's really pretty. Let me just try to swatch it. Oh, that is a beautiful color, you guys. A beautiful pink. I will say it definitely looks like a pink that'll go onto your face, very like giving you like a flush of color. It does have a little bit of a glow, as you can see. I like kind of spread it a little bit more, but like look at that. If you're going for a nice glowy skin look, this will be great for that. And it's definitely something you can like build up. So you know, you can build up that color. Look at that. That glow is beautiful, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I wish I could apply it on my cheeks right now. I am so in love with blushes that have a beautiful glow to it, and the color is just so pretty, but it is very glowy. Look at that. I can't get over it. It's beautiful. So guys, that is it for my bag. I feel like I went through this pretty quick. I have 15 more seconds for my face to be done. But yeah, so as far as all my items, I am very happy with all my items. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully I won't get any skin reactions to this, because that would suck. Oh, it is time. So let me just go ahead and wash this off. Before I do, I will tell you that it does feel dry. There's nothing on my hands. Oh, my forehead is still a little wet, actually. I think everywhere else is dry. I think you only need to add a really thin layer of this onto your skin. I think I put too much up here. It doesn't feel tight. As you can see, it's not the kind that kind of like cracks on your face and gets super, super tight, so it's not doing that. My face still feels fine. It's still cooling, like I said before, but it's not irritating. And I mean, it's just my forehead, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off and see what it looks like. So I will be right back. I'm gonna wash this off with lukewarm water, and I'm just going to rub my face a little bit just to exfoliate it a little, and we'll see what it looks like. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just put some lip balm on because I don't like dry lips, but as far as my face is concerned, it feels really nice and clean. It feels soft. I did try to rub it just so that it exfoliates my skin a little bit, but I didn't feel like much of like a grainy texture to it. It was not too grainy at all, but I did try to do that as much as I could. It is supposed to be a pore clearing clay mask, and I do feel like it made my skin very nice and clean, but it doesn't feel stripped of the oils. Like, it still feels very nice and soft as well. It doesn't feel super dry, so I do like that feeling. I do like this clay mask. I will continue using it. Yeah, as far as everything else, as always, I like everything that I got. The Gardenia hand cream, Smells amazing. So amazing. And actually I love the blush as well because it has a beautiful glow. Also the Silky Eye Pen by PIXI, I will tell you, I think it is a little bit smudge proof because I was trying to take it off of the back of my hand and it wasn't easily smudging off, so that was amazing. So if you do put it on your lid, you don't have to worry about it getting all over the place, so this is good. What else did I get? The brush I like, and of course the mask. Is that all my items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's all of my items, and I am happy with all of my items, so I do love my Ipsy for May. I hope you guys liked it as well. Leave me a comment letting me know which one of my products you liked the most or what you would like to try. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please, please, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. Also, if you are interested in getting your own Ipsy bag, I will leave a link to it in my description. Go and check it out. And yeah, it's a $10 monthly subscription, and I am very, very happy with it. I've always been happy with it. You can watch all of my Ipsy videos. I've been doing it for over a year now, so I am very much in love with the products that they give me. It definitely gives me an opportunity to try out brands I haven't heard of before, or things that I wanted but I didn't get a chance to go and get it, or I wasn't sure if I wanted it, but now that I tried it, I know I love it. So yeah, majority of the time I'm very happy with it. And I feel like Ipsy's definitely upping their game with different brands. So I know they do have Huda now, they do have Morphe now, so those are cool, and I hope I do get a Huda one soon because I love that brand. But yeah, thanks again you guys for watching my video, and I do have to get to bed now because it's very late and I'm so tired. But have an amazing week, and I love you guys so much. Bye!